Okay, we're going to be going over capitalizations of physical features. So physical feature is mountains, mountain ranges, hills, volcanoes, rivers, lakes, oceans, seas, streams, and creeks. So you're going to capitalize the first letter of each word in a physical feature name. So examples are already done. So what I'm going to do is I will just highlight, so Mount Vesuvius, that in itself is a feature name, right? It's a volcano situated a short distance from Naples, Italy, and it is best known for its destructive eruption in 79 AD. So we're not going to highlight Naples, Italy, because that's a place, right? That was yesterday. It's a political division. We're looking just for physical features. For example, let's see. Many of Egypt's ancient pyramids and temples are located next to or close by the Nile River. So definitely Nile River because that's the name of a river. But we wouldn't do ancient pyramids because there's a bunch of ancient pyramids. They're not talking about one specific or a group of. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. For items 1 through 6, read the sentences and then underline the features and then write the name for the physical feature correctly on the lines below. So we don't have any lines, so you'll just type it right next to it. So you'll go through the last significant volcano eruption in the United States was Mount St. Helens. So St. Helens is the volcano, right? That's our physical features. And you'll highlight it like this. And then you'll go up and you'll hit the underline. Okay? Okay. Not too hard, and you only got about 6. And then once you get here, you're going to write down sentences that include a name of a mountain range. And you're going to write a sentence that names a river in the state in which you live. So you can just use Google to find a name of a mountain range if you don't know any, and you can use Google to find a river that's in California. Well, we have a lot of them, actually. A couple of big ones. Well, we got the Guadalupe River that goes right through San Jose, so that's one. And then there's the American River that's up in Sacramento area. But I'm sure there's more, so if you want to Google it to come up with more, then you can. Okay. I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you later.